Cooks in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make Thousand Island dressing because Matthew wants to make a salad with shrimp on it. So it's basically like a shrimp Louis. And for that you need a Thousand Island type dressing. Now, first of all, I want to say that I like to look things up and get a little history about things that I do videos for. And Thousand Island, why Thousand Island? Well, apparently in the early 1900s in Thousand Islands, New York, never heard of it, some lady there whipped it together at her kitchen, and the recipe for that, handwritten recipe from that time, is in the museum there. Isn't that crazy? Anyway, here we go. So we're going to start with a half a cup of mayonnaise. You can use whatever you prefer. If you like a light dressing, that's fine. Then we're going to add the stars here, which is some sweet relish. We're gonna have 2 tablespoons of this, I think. Yeah, 2 tablespoons. Losing my mind. So I'm gonna do 2 of these. I'm doing this first so that I can squirt the ketchup in here and I'll have to get a new spoon. So 2 tablespoons of sweet relish and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Oop, I sure hope I don't get this on my shirt. It's going to be the end of this bottle. We don't use a lot of ketchup around here. This is probably the only thing we use it for.
Probably past its expiration date.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, look,
Okay,
you're going to make it.
Whew, that was a close one. Okay. This is ketchup, that. Next, we're going to add a teaspoon of white vinegar. I'm always shaking when I do this with my left hand. Okay, 1 of those. A couple shakes of Tabasco sauce. Wish my mom had done that. That just gives it a nice little kick. A bit of that. I have a little bit of Worcestershire, just a dribble of that. Still have more important ingredients here. The original recipe I've been using calls for like 1 or 2 teaspoons of onion, finely chopped, and I just do a couple slices and chop it up and, you know, call that a good one. Then we're gonna need about a teaspoon of minced garlic. So we're going to use our little cool thingy here to mince it. You could always use the kind you buy that's already minced. This does a nice job. See? Look at that. That's really cool. Not easy to clean, but it does a really good job on the garlic. Okay, so we have that. And finally, a little bit of salt. That'll do. Just gonna whip this up now. So this is something you want to do ahead of time so that these flavors can meld together in the refrigerator while you do your salad. You can add all kinds of other ingredients like you know, paprika or some kind of other seasonings, whatever you want. But we've been doing it like this, and we like it. So I'm gonna give it a taste. See if it's pretty good. That's what I like. It's like just got enough tang because I like tangy things. It's really good. So thanks for watching 2 Cooks in the Kitchen. Remember to hit the subscribe button down there in the bottom corner of your video and help us out. And we'll see you next time.